This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by collecting concrete evidence. This is not guessing. Start now. Write 6 to 12 specific moments when you felt proud, alive, or deeply satisfied, and include who was there and what you did. Once done, rate each moment on intensity and frequency using a 1-10 scale so patterns emerge. Make sure to mark recurring themes, people, actions, settings, because these repeats point to core values. This quick inventory gives you factual anchors to extract real values from real life. You now turn facts into meanings by clustering your moments. Group similar entries into 3 to 5 themes. For example, moments about teaching and mentoring might combine into a learning or contribution theme. Then label each cluster with a concise value phrase and write a 1-sentence explanation of why it mattered. Once labeled, compare clusters to identify conflicts and trade-offs. This reveals which values dominate decisions. Make sure to timestamp when a value first appears. Context explains why. You finalize by turning values into actionable commitments. Pick your top 3 and design one small weekly test for each, an activity that reflects the value. Do these tests for 3 weeks and journal results, focusing on emotional response and alignment with your life. Once done, evaluate which tests felt energizing versus draining and refine your value wording. If results contradict your expectation, troubleshoot by redefining the value or swapping it out. This iterative test ensures your stated values match lived experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.